Mr. Jan,
Yes, sir.
I wish to discuss something with you. Or we can have it on the
Are
video.
you diplomatizing?
Oh no, fuck the game. Sorry, I'm chewing jerky.
Yes.
I'm running out of time again, Jan.
I know. That's alright,
It's alright.
Okay, yes, what would you like to discuss?
I have had an idea for the first GhostButts real-life comic video. A film I entitle Poker Night.
Oh.
And it basically centers around, in my head, it is currently you, me, Frederick and McNee, sit down and play a game of poker, and surrealist comedy takes place as a commentator tries to commentate the game of poker, which has such things as, let's take a look from the under table view, and it's just a thick table of wood. Or you acting as the dealer, dealing to you, the player.
Yeah.
This is the type of thing I'm currently considering. What do you
I
think?
love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Good.
I love it. We can use my camera, which films in HD.
Oh yes, because
So that's already one, and we can install a laptop/webcam somewhere.
to be honest, we just need the one and like film it, because it would be a whole set. Tell you what, we will discuss this in a more private setting. You have heard the proposition, ladies and gentlemen. You have heard the idea, but now we will see whether or not. Sorry, I burped. I burped and it made me laugh.
Beer was such a good idea to choose. Yes, we could have gone for cultured wine, you know, or a bottle of whiskey each. But no, we went
bottle of
for
whiskey
fucking
each?
fizzy shit.
I would like to be alive in the morning, Jan.
That was not the purpose of this game. You cheat.
It's only turn fucking 3. I burped and it made me giggle.
Alright, I've finished my round.
Okay, I've forgotten what I was gonna say now, but basically, it's we'll discuss it more at a later date.
Yes. We shall.
What did I get? Production resources. Oh fuck! Build the war hall. Oh hell yeah! Dark Citadel. Oh, that sounds cool. What's it do? Blocks the production of special racial units. So I can get that already.
Summon wild animal. I need way more mana. That takes ages to replenish. Oh, I love this game.
Yeah! So far it would seem to have gone down a treat. Oh, holy hell, I'm not going into that dungeon. A dungeon of legendary difficulty? Are you insane, sir?
You crit.
Whoops.
Do you think it makes sense to have one of the generals in your city?
Possibly. If you were expecting an attack, certainly, but at the moment all of mine are out exploring. Oh, sorry, Thea. The jerky's killing me. As I said, mild,
Mana stash, yes.
yes, mild, I have a mild mana stash to jerky. God above. But no, other than that.
I shall Mana up.
Shut your face!
Shut your face. Oh, no.
Hodor!
Hodor.
It's the Ho train! Oh yeah, shit, end my turn. What spells can I cast now? Authority of the Sword. Target city gains 1 domain radius. Holy shit, yes. Why didn't I do that right at the start? Hurry up, you gobshite.
Shh.
Don't make me start singing.
What you gonna sing?
People all over the world, join hands. And start a love train. Love train.
Train. Yeah. So.
Nom nom nom. See, from what I have played from this before, I find that the strategic spells tend to run out after a little while. Maybe I'm just doing them wrong. So I go for Empire bonuses. Oh, that's a good one.
You're forbidden from
Increases
having more
his-
jerky from on.
Holy fuck, man. War effort. Cities produce an extra 10 gold. Let's get that.
I'm going into battle now, most likely.
Okay.
Just so you know. I have a feeling that the auto combat is really bad.
I don't know. Oh.
But he said it's merely barbecue, not like chili or something.
Oh. I'm in tremendous pain. I love jerky, but Jesus, the pain.
So good. Shall cast fireball on them, I think.
People all over the world. Join hands. Let's start a love train. Love train. So we
Love
cannot
train.
settle up here because this land is volcanic. Oh my god.
Speak.
How's it going, Jan? Commentate, come on. It's your camera we're using at the moment.
Sorry, yeah. I know. I just try to find out the best formation for my attack here. Let's see. Okay, that should be me. Oh, they have special abilities as well. Shit. Forgot about that. So I put them in a protective stance for now, and I can shoot my longbow.
Okay.
Strike. Why? What is it doing?
Welcome to Figuring Out Combat with Jan.
Sorry. There we go. I shoot my longbow. Fantastic. I shot my longbow again. And I will use a fireball potentially. Oh no, I'm out of actions. I might use a fireball next round. I end my combat round. Let's see what the others do. They have weird elves. Oh, they're teleported. They're teleported behind me. It's all going wrong.
Remain calm, Jan. Remain calm. Remember, you're a general, not a coward.
Oh my god.
What the fuck's my gown? I can't. Oh, it's very bad mannered of me.
Okay, I think I took the first charge quite well. Now, they are flanked with most of their units, and I killed their weird fairy folk people.
That's good.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh dear. people all over the world.
Oh wow, that's a hard combat I just faced here. Fuck yeah. Not good. Not good.
How's it going? Commentary?
So far so good, but I'll lose a unit definitely. They're specters of sword. Oh, unit just leveled up and then died. Great. That's what you want to see, right?
Fair play.
I use my general and his longbow. See if I can save one of my units. They're really heavily shielded though. Wow. That looks horrible. Kill them. Thank God. 2 units leveled up and are still alive for now. I removed my cavalry. And I charge. Yes! Kill! Ah, wasn't enough. Independents are moving. They'll take down 1 unit. So I lost 2 units so far. Good.
Oh,
quite a heavy enemy.
No, Jan.
I know. No! They kill my horses! Crap. I won. I think. Yes! Victory! I only lost 2 units, I lost 3. And I found 120 research.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah. I will return to my hometown now. In shame and pain.
Yep. That sounds like Jan. The hell is this?
Archers finesse. Archers are trained to aim for at all. They receive razor projectiles. Fantastic. I'll get some good archers going, I think. Given that I'm just producing 2 archer units, this will be good.
Fair. Oh, he's going full on war, ladies and gentlemen. Full on war.
No! I'm an elf. I'm protecting the realm.
The realm, is it?
Yes.
Not the realm,
From
the realm.
So what other languages do you speak?
I will have you know, I am...
Silence says it all. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Right
Jan
here.
would appear to have resorted to racism in order to, I don't know, get his way, I presume. It's he's taking out his frustration at his sheer inability on me, and that's just not on, ladies and gentlemen.
I summoned my hellhound. Now, from a role-playing kind of perspective, why would an elf summon a hellhound?
Oh, I don't know.
That doesn't seem right.
It's not an answer I can. Oh yes. Current spell integrity. Reinforces. Reinforces spell integrity. And the spell. So this spell will just. Yeah. I suppose it's worth the extra production for the time being, but even so,